One of the hardest parts of starting out on the bagpipes is knowing where to begin. What do you buy? What do you need? What if you order the wrong things, get frustrated and quit? So I've taken all the guesswork out of it, and I'm excited to tell you about my brand new complete beginner piper's kit. This is the only thing you need to get started in your piping journey with confidence. Maybe this is for yourself. It's also a perfect gift for the aspiring piper in your life. First, you get my Endurance Practice Chanter. Now, this is the high-quality chanter that I designed that is made by the famous Hardie and Company in Scotland. It has a revolutionary built-in moisture control system that stops the moisture, whether it's condensed breath or spit or drool, from getting on your reed. A wet and gurgling reed is a huge frustration that makes playing hard and makes you want to quit. The Endurance cartridges take out all the moisture before it gets to the reed. It lets you practice longer and practice more effectively so you can build your skills faster. You can choose your size. This is regular size. It also comes in a long or extended size and a junior, also called child size, for smaller hands or for kids. But a great starting instrument is only half of the solution. With this bundle, you also get 2 of my complete video courses. First, you get Learn to Play a Bagpipe Tune in 30 Days. It takes you from your very first note. And my Bagpipe Essentials Masterclass, which is 31 high-quality step-by-step videos on all the essential techniques of bagpiping, from the scale and grace notes all the way to more advanced fingering techniques. So you get the perfect chanter, the extra cartridges to keep you practicing effectively, and all the lessons you need in one bundle. These are high-quality videos you can watch anywhere on your mobile device, on your phone, on your computer, and this is a lifetime purchase. You get these for forever. You don't have to subscribe to anything. This whole bundle is available for a great Black Friday price of 52% off. This is the perfect way to start your piping adventure. Stop guessing and start learning. So you can get your beginner's kit today at bagpipelessons.com/learn-to-play, and check out all the other incredible deals on tools designed to help elevate your sound and enhance your piping experience, and great discounts too at bagpipelessons.com/Black Friday. This is your chance to invest in the gear and the tools and the resources you need to truly make a difference in your piping journey. Thanks, and happy piping.